This is me. Connecting to my private AI server I made with Raspberry Pi, running a large language model called DeepSeek Coder latest with Olama and OpenWebUI. In this video, I will be telling you guys how to make your private AI server, no external connections, no nothing, nobody gets your data, it's all securely stored on a Raspberry Pi. Let's get started. First, you want to flash an image to Raspberry Pi imager to your Raspberry Pi with Raspberry Pi imager. If you don't hear me, you can turn the volume up or something. What you need is go here, Raspberry Pi OS Other, go to Raspberry Pi OS Lite because we're making a server. Then choose your storage and um, click Flash. After you did that, enable SSH on your Raspberry Pi, or you could just do it while you're flashing the drive. After you did that, go to PUTTY and put your Raspberry Pi IP address in. After this happens, you have logged into your Raspberry Pi. Olama, you have to download Olama. Olama is a groundbreaking service which harnesses the power of AI into one single package. Let's go to llama.ai, get up and running with large language models. The models that are ideal to run on Raspberry Pi is Phi 3 Mini. They have a bunch of models, that's why we have to say only like three. So the Quen 2 is very suitable for Raspberry Pi. Quen 2, Phi 3 Mini, Phi 3. How you could install Phi 3 Mini is Phi 3. And you could also do Tiny Llama. And then the last but not least, Deep Seek Coder 1B. After we so these are all the models it has, but let's see how to install the Llama service to download those models. Go to Linux, copy paste, and then do this. I already did this, so I'm just gonna quit the process, but you guys have to let it finish. After the process finishes to 100% and it returns you to the prompt, type Olama. Just type Olama. It'll give you a list of commands and stuff that you could use. Olama list. This will list all the models we have. I have Tiny Llama in my Raspberry Pi. And you can pull new models, download new models by using Olama pull and then your model name. And after you did that, you can do a llama list. After you downloaded your model, it'll show your model here and you could do a llama run. Now this will let you chat in it with a command line interface. So that won't be really fun, but what will be fun is making a server that you can access all across your network. Nobody else can. So let's just quit right now. I'm gonna show you how to chat with it in a command line interface in another video. This video is just after we did that, that was just like fun for that. Now we have to install Docker. What the junk is Docker? You guys are asking me. Lightning X Tech, what is Docker? Okay, let me explain. Docker is a container. A container is like a sandbox which you can run apps in that don't affect other apps. And you can test new things without affecting your whole system. And that will be really good for OpenWebUI and Llama. So how to install Docker? Let's go here into Docker install. You can search it up on the web too. but I just have a txt file I have for it. Let's go back, paste it. Okay, once you have it, you just want to run sudo sh docker script.sh. I already ran that, so I'm not going to run it again. After we do that, and that's all done, like it'll return you to the green prompt once the install script is done. After that, you want to go to, you want to search up Open Web UI, formerly Olama Web UI, Open Web UI GitHub. Yeah, this is one of the first web UIs and most preferred for Olama and things. How install this is go here. Don't do install with default configuration. Don't do that. Do install with Open Web UI with bundled Llama support. Do for CPU only. Copy, paste. Okay, this is gonna take sudo. You have to include sudo when you're running Docker commands. And this is gonna work. Oh, I already have a container like that. That's why it's saying that I already installed it, but it'll install for you guys. After we do that, what we want to do is after we do that and it installs for you, you go to one. I'm just going to my Raspberry Pi's IP address, and then the port will be 3000, port 3000. After we do that, voila, it'll ask you to sign up for an account or sign in, and it's securely stored on a Raspberry Pi. After that happens, it'll show you which model you want to select. I have three installed. You can just look at the models from here. Models. You can go to models. I'm just gonna install Quen 2 now. You can type it here, the one you want to install or the one you have. Pull Quen 2 from alama.com if you don't already have it. I already have three. Note that Gemma 2B will not run unless you have like 8 GB of RAM on your Raspberry Pi. What I'm gonna do now is go to the library, look at Quen 2, which is probably gonna run. Let's run Quen 2 0.5. Quen. Let's just experiment and make sure that nothing else runs if accidentally we see, because there's nothing such as this file not found. Just messing with these guys. Quen 2 0.5b. This will download Quen 2. And yeah, that's how you can run in your own private AI server on a Raspberry Pi. Enjoy, guys. Bye. Subscribe. Support me on Patreon. Bye, guys.